Hey everybody, it's Donna, the Blissful Planner. Welcome back to my channel. I have another plan with me for the week of January the 4th through January the 10th in my personal Happy Planner vertical. Items that I used in this are this gold stripe, gold glitter, washi tape, and this new Recollections sticker book that I got, Theater of Stars, and it's really got some pretty stickers in it. A lot of stuff that I probably won't use, but picked this up on Mercari, and I also picked up the washi tape that goes with it. So we'll be doing my spread today on that, and I have pre-pulled all of my stickers. And so let's get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing and like this video if you like what you see. And to my continued YouTube subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. It means the world to me, and I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers before the end of December. So with that being said, please consider subscribing and liking my video. So let's get started. You know, I like to take the liberty of going ahead and pulling stuff because I just think it's such a time saver. And I'm going to put this right there over top of that notes. And what I did was some of the stuff that I trimmed, like some of these little things that I trimmed on here, like I trimmed the sides of this and these little stripes here, or strips, whatever you want to call them. I'm using those. And, you know, it's that way nothing's getting wasted. All right, let's find the scalpel, because I don't want stuff to be crooked. We're just going to lay that. Okay. And I just sort of cut some stuff in half to use as like little separators. And I just thought that would look really nice. I try to keep everything like the same coloring on this. I had went a little crazy and did some of the purples in it, and it just really didn't look right. So I pulled them up, and I thought, no, that's just too much. It doesn't look right. So I just like this pretty like sapphire blue. I just think it's gorgeous. And then for my little bullets, I'm using some washi, some glitter washi. I thought that would be different, give it a little bit of bling. And we're just going to lay those down. And so let's do some questions, shall we? Let's get to know each other a little bit better. First of all, leave in the comments below. What are you doing for New Year's? Are you staying home? Are you going out to a big party? What are your plans for New Year's? I will probably stay home and probably watch the ball drop with my grandbaby, because she'll probably be here. So I'm going to do that. And that's about it. And let me know if you're new to planning. If you are, what is your current planner? And how did you find my channel? That'll give us a little bit. For those of you who are new, I am a proud grandmother of 2 beautiful children, and they are the light of my universe. And I never do good when I overlay these. A granddaughter, Abigail, who you all have heard me talk about many, many times. I'm tearing this all to pieces. I think we're just going to leave it. And I have a new grandchild, Liam, who is, he is 4 months old. So he's a little cutie patootie. I'm a nurse. I work as an office nurse. I do not work out in the field, thank God. And I have been a nurse for about, let me see, what is this, 6 years? And I do love it. If I ever pick another career, it definitely won't be in medicine. I've been doing in the medical field for over 30 years, and I'm pretty much done. I just would not go back into medicine and make a career of it. I would do something different. So, but I'm faring this pandemic, same as everybody else. I've been very blessed not to have gotten COVID. And nobody in my family except some, I think I've had a few cousins that have gotten COVID, and they've recuperated well, so I'm very, very grateful for that. This is crooked. You know me, Donna, the queen of crooked. Just trying to put like a little header on there, and I want it to be, yeah, that's better. So I've been very fortunate. My family's been very fortunate that we haven't had any, big issues with COVID. And I'm just really hoping that 2021 brings us some better issues to deal with, or, better times are ahead. Okay, lay that down. And I just want to tear it. And we're going to do the same thing over here. I like that torn, unfinished look. And then this washi was in the book that I'm getting ready to put down. I think it's gorgeous. I'm just going to overlap that just. And we are right on the edge. So I got a new background. I don't know if you guys noticed. I had the tan and the copper, if I could get hold of it. There we go. Marble. And I got some of the gray marble because I wanted to change. And it's just contact paper. So, for you guys that think, oh my gosh, she's got a marble desk. No, I don't. All right, let me get this cutting pad. Alrighty. And there is that. Let me check frame. Always like to check frame because you know me. Doing the mirroring thing has not worked for me yet. So I always like to make sure I'm, you know, lined up here. So now I'm going to put these together as closely as possible. And I want to run this right down the spine. Okay. So, y'all, like for you guys to start leaving me some comments. Tell me about yourself, how you found me, if you have an Instagram account, Facebook account. You know, I just really want to get to know my community. I like conversing back and forth. I've had 2 or 3 other Instagrammers and YouTubers that I talk to pretty frequently, and I just really, really enjoy this community. You couldn't ask for a better group of people. And I just have really enjoyed getting to know different folks from different parts of the country. And it's just been such a joy. And I don't know, it's like we're trying to help each other out. Some of us are new, some of us aren't. And just, you know, trying to help each other grow, learning from each other. And it's a fabulous little community. And I absolutely love it. So, that didn't turn out too bad. I just think it adds a little something. Even though they're split, you know, I just wanted it to be, you know, I didn't want it to be all over the place in your face, you know. So, now let's finish laying down. I want this to be over here in the corner. This is like a clear, like sticker. And I'm going to scatter about these little, like, stars. Try to bring out some of the gold features. And then I'm going to overlap this. This is sort of going to be like my weekend banner. Let's try to put it like, line it up. There we go. It's overlapping it. So I think that's sort of cute how this is going this way and that's going this way. And then I'm going to put some task. I think I'm going to put those right there. And I'm going to split those sort of like between the two. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Some more bling. Gotta have the bling. And then I'm going to put this, I think we're going to put this right here. All right, so the only other thing I want to put down is I do want to mark, and I don't normally do that, but I'm going to put down like I'm going to put them down right now. My rent little stickers, these came from Leonard Designs, my car payment, and then I want to mark my planning and my work week, but I don't want to do that right this second because I want to be able to get a good picture, sort of like before the pen type stuff. Let me trim the edge off of this. And got a little bit of star hanging out there. And I think everything else is in good shape. So this is in my personal planner for the week of January the 4th through the 10th. And this is, I just think this is really pretty. This is from, again, from the sticker book, Theater of Stars from Recollections. These come from, I'm pretty sure they come from Michael's, and I bought it from Celebi on Mercari. And I also bought this washi tape as well. I bought the kit, you know, both of them together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and share this video to your social media, and consider subscribing to my channel. So thanks everybody, and have a great week coming forward, and thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.